By making a toy by yourself, where to buy the fur, what quality it should be. In this video I would like to speak more about this. And there are different types of fur and different quality. For example, this one looks really great. It is soft, and exactly like this you can find the description video by such sources as Temu or Etsy sometimes. But if we look closer, you see that through the fur, through the hair, you can see also the material. And that is the point. The material should not be seen, otherwise when you cut the hair shortly, you will see the textile and it will spoil the result of your toy. And we are making good, best quality, realistic toys. This is another one. It also looks very good from some distance. It also has this long hair, which is also very good. It creates such a fluffy effect. But the same, if we just take it closer, the material passed through, and this is not what I need. This sample I ordered from China via AliExpress. So here I would like to show exactly with a good hair, with a good fur, very often we need to cut the face shortly, 1-2 millimeter long, and in this one you even can't find the textile. It doesn't go through. But it doesn't mean that we can't use this fur at all. For example, here, when I do not need to make a short haircut, I can easily use it. It looks great and it is very, very soft. That's why you just need to realize what kind of toy you would like to make and to understand how thick the hair in your fur should be. When a seller makes description of the fur, usually he puts the weight or dignity of the fur. The high quality fur starts from 2000 gram per quadrat meter. This one was bought in China and it has 1200 gram per quadrat meter, and that's why you also can see material here. This is not very good quality, although it is very soft, really soft and pleasant to touch, but I don't use it. This is another one. It was produced in Europe and it has 1800 gram per quadrat meter, and here you can't identify the material so easily, and I like it. It is also very soft. It actually a little bit sharper as the previous one, but this fur was produced from recycled materials, and that's why I like it very much. This is my beloved sample, which I hadn't succeed to get. Unfortunately, it was just it has just appeared for a month or so by my seller in Frankreich, in France, and I didn't make order in time. Was late and could not get it. It is not very thick. It is about 1800, but it looks really great. And this is another one produced in Poland. The weight of this sample is 2000 gram, and it is really good. I used it to sew my Siam cat. So far you are satisfied with the weight of the fur you buy. You should also pay attention of the length of the main pile and the length of the undercoat. For example, here main pile length is 7 cm and undercoat is about 4 cm. The black one is actually very easy to work with because textile is usually not to be seen. These two ones, I was in love with the structure and the color, but when I got them, the quality was very poor. So poor that even from another side the hair was just going through, and that's not okay. Ideally the base fabric should be stretchy, because the stretchable fabric base makes it easier to shape the toys parts. Very often I'm asking the seller to send me the video to be sure if the backside is stretchable. I love the structure. It looks so wild and the color is so cloudy, and I'm not sure what I will make from it because you can't cut it shortly. It's 1100 gram dignity. Maybe it will fit good for some kind of alpaca or llama or some fantasy creature. For sure I will make something from it. It also has very interesting backside and is stretchy, but still it doesn't pass to realistic creature, because such difficult structure you can't really cut. Here I just shortly showing two samples looking good but with very poor quality. And this is how the good quality backside looks like. No hair is going through. It is stretchy. It is 2600 gram dignity weight. Material doesn't look through at all. Exactly this one I used to sew the dog, the puppy toy. And even looking from the side, the hair doesn't fall, and it has as well as the long piles and very good thick fluffy overcoat. So this one is perfect one for any animal you would like to make. And what is the most important for me is that it is recycled for. And as a sample of the perfect four, almost 3000 gram, 5800 as well as I remember. Very soft and easy to work with. The base fabric is also very soft, because sometimes even when the fur is good, the base fabric can be so thick that it's impossible not to form something, to shape it. And the last sample I would like to show, produced in France or Italy. I need to prove it, and I will put the link in the description. This is the wolf or dog fur imitation, also 2,800, soft, fluffy, absolutely adorable. It's colored very well, so you in some cases would not even need to color it additionally. The cut looks very neat, no shedding. The material is stretchy. These breadths, I'm trying to understand what I'm showing. The breadths are thin, and the thinner the breadths are, the closer the hairs stay to each other. So this is also the sign of the good quality fur. And to compare to these ones, which I also shortly showed, here, notwithstanding its wavy structure that for sure could be in some way attractive for someone, the quality is just not comparable.